So this is the Lavendrew, the laundromat that I visited not too long ago. Fernando was the nice lady there that I was talking to. So the jaws of capitalism have come to the People's Laundromat in Lisbon. This is, actually I'm a little sad about this. It's such a nice laundromat. And the women could come and do their laundry. It was free. You bring your own soap, I guess. But, wow. I presume there's going to be a condo going up. Some kind of a money-making thing rather than a public laundry. Oh, neat. Wow. I think I'm going to make this a little bigger. And you can't make this kind of stuff up, folks. This is the Battle of Angels. Yeah, look it up on the, it's from the green with a white letter. That means Battle of Angels. So I guess this is capitalism versus the people. Wow. I don't know if I'd call the capitalist angels, but there you have it, folks. Here from Lisbon. Oh, it's about the 18th of June, 2022.